Hello folks, now we will discuss life cycle of bryophytes. Life cycle of bryophytes have two phases, gametophytic phase and sporophytic phase. Gametophytic phase is independent nutritionally, while sporophytic phase dependent on gametophyte for its nutrition and attached to gametophyte while its life cycle during the life cycle. Next is reproduction. Reproduction in bryophytes is of two types mainly, vegetative and sexual. Vegetative occurs by means of tubers, gamma cups, gamete, for example in Markensia, and fragmentation. यहाँ से एक क्वेश्चन बन रहा है कि gamete cup are present in which, then the answer will be Markensia. Next is sexual reproduction. It occurs through oogamy or oogamous type, in which there is two type of gametes are involved. Male is motile and female is non-motile. Female sex organ is known as antheridium, while male sex organ is antheridium, while female sex organ is known as archegonium. Male gametes, sperms or biflagellate sperms are formed inside this antheridium, while archegonium contains egg inside. This is the egg inside this swollen part, which is known as venter, while its neck is like this, tube-like. This hole is known as archegonium. And fertilization, when sperm and egg fused, this fusion is known as fertilization, which takes place in water. As you know, these are biflagellate sperms. They move through water to this neck and enter here to fertilize with this egg inside the archegonium. Now next phase of the life cycle started here, which is sporophytic cycle, and which takes place after fertilization when zygote undergo divisions without resting to form sporogonium. Sporogonium gives rise to sporophyte, diploid sporophyte, because it undergoes mitotic divisions. Sporophyte is divided into foot, seta, and capsule. Then question arises that foot seta are absent in which plant, which bryophyte? Then this exception is in Riccia. Riccia has no foot seta. It has capsule embedded in thallus. This capsule bears a spore mother cell inside it, which undergoes meiosis. Because this spore mother cell is diploid, so it undergoes meiosis to form haploid spores, and these spores are homospores. One type of spores are formed only, which germinate on thallus to form filamentous protonema. There are number of questions here that spore mother cells undergo meiosis, which give rise to haploid spores, and spores are homosporous. Then question arises, where the spores are homosporous, then they are present in bryophytes. Next question arises that germination of homospores give rise to filamentous protonema, which bear adventitious buds और lateral buds भी बोलते हैं इनको, adventitious buds और lateral buds, which finally give rise to gametophyte. They form leafy plant or gametophyte. Last time ये question आया था कि which part of the plant give rise to gametophyte, then answer is protonema. This was the question of commission last time. Next, gametophyte again give rise to form sex organs, antheridia, archegonia, male gametes, female gametes, and give rise to sporophyte. Sporophyte again give rise to gametophyte, and this cycle goes on. And this repetition of cycles, gametophyte follows sporophyte, sporophyte follows gametophyte. This is known as alternation of generations. This is all about the life cycle of bryophyte. Thanks and have a nice day.